Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, Histogram. Objectives of the chapter are reading of histogram and to draw histogram. Now, what is histogram? As we have already done bar graph, pictograph, line graph, these all are the graphical representations of given data. Here, similarly, histogram is graphical representation of continuous frequency distribution. So here, point comes in your mind that what is continuous frequency distribution? Suppose a test of 20 marks has been conducted in your class and you will come to know result in this way that 2 students has got marks between 0 and 5. 7 has got marks between 5 and 10. Similarly, 10 students have got 10 till 15 and 12 has got marks between 15 till 20. So, here as you can see, instead of writing individual marks, we have arranged marks in intervals. So, the thing which is given in intervals, that is known as class interval. And the thing which is given in numbers, that is the frequency. So, when we will arrange data in this tabular form, that is known as the grouped data. And why we are calling it continuous grouped data? Because here if we are finishing at 5, then in the next interval we are starting from 5. Similarly, if here we are having 10, again we are starting from the 10 in next interval. Here if we are having 15, here again we are starting from 15. So students, on this page you can see 2 graphs. Left side there is a bar graph and right side there is a histogram. So, bar graph we have already done in our previous classes. Histogram, as you can see, is similar to bar graph. But what is the difference between the bar graph and histogram? First of all, here in bar graph, bars have equal space. And in histogram, bars are fixed. What does it mean? As from here you can see, here we are having equal gap between bars. And in histogram, there is no gap between them. Now, the next difference is on y-axis, we have numbers. On x-axis, we have categories. So here, as you can see, in bar graph, on x-axis, we are having categories. Here, as classes are given, class 5, class 6, class 7. And on y-axis, there are numbers. Like here, number of girls are given. But in histogram, on y-axis we have numbers. On x-axis we have continuous data that is always be in numbers. So, as I have already told you what is continuous data, here in histogram, data is in intervals. So, here on x-axis, we are having continuous grouped data 0 till 5, 5 till 10, 10 till 15, 15 till 20. Here we are having categories, but in histogram we are having continuous grouped data. And on y-axis we are having number of students. Here one more difference is there of scale. Here you will write scale only for the y-axis. But here you have to write the scale for x-axis as well as for y-axis. Now, let's understand with one example. Here, answer the following questions based on the histogram given below. Now, this histogram is given. First of all, let's see the histogram. Here, we are having x-axis, y-axis, and where x and y-axis intersects, that is O. That means origin. Now, on x-axis, marks obtained information is given. And on y-axis, number of students are given. So, here scale used is 1 centimeter along x-axis equals to 10 marks. Here as you can see, 1 centimeter 10 marks difference is there. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter 5 students are given. Now 1 centimeter 5 students. Again 1 centimeter 5 students. So let's read histogram first of all. Here you can see in intervals 0 till 10. What is the height of the bar? 10. So how many students are there? 10. Then 10 till 20, height is 5. Similarly, 20 till 30, height is 25. For the next interval, 20. And the last interval is 40 till 50, where height is 5. Now see the first question. How many students have scored marks 30 till 40? So here we are talking about marks scored. For this you will see x-axis. So on x-axis 30 till 40. Height of the bar is 20. So here as you can see 20 students are there who scored 30 till 40 marks. So therefore here answer will come 20. Now see the next question. Here write the intervals having same number of students. Now for students you will see the y-axis. From here we are having this number 5 and this number also 5. In which two intervals we are having these same numbers? 10 till 20 and 40 till 50. So here our answer is 10 till 20 and 40 till 50. Now see the next question. Here, in which interval maximum number of students occur and how many? Here, maximum number of students means highest bar. In histogram, we are having highest bar of 25 students. And which interval it is? 20 till 30. So, maximum number of students occur in interval 20 till 30 and number of students equals to 25. So students, today we have discussed what is histogram, what is the difference between histogram and bar graph, and also we have discussed to read histogram. So I hope with the help of this video, you all will be able to understand what is histogram. Thank you. Have a nice day.